आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि तांडव के कलाकार क्या बातें कर रहे हैं और डिंपल कापड़िया ने कुछ ऐसा कहा है जो बड़ा ही इंटरेस्टिंग है।
होगा तांडव, आई लव दैट, ओह माय गॉड। आई एम लाइक भाई ये वायरल होने वाला है, मेरे को पहले पता है YouTube ये वो हर जगह इट्स गोना बी ट्रेंडिंग बिकॉज़ इट्स गोना बी सच अ कूल, एवरीवनस बीन वेटिंग फॉर दिस, ओके, इट लुक्स इनक्रेडिबल। ऐसे मन करता है कि सीधा मैं मतलब 15 जनवरी जो होने वाला है, आई वांट टू वॉच इट लाइक राइट नाउ। आई वांट टू वेलकम बैक द कास्ट, अली, हिमांशु, गौरव, अपर्णा ऑन स्क्रीन, वापस आ जाओ प्लीज। ऑलराइट नाउ ऐसे ऐसे बात है, इट्स लाइक पॉलिटिकल, ओके, आई विल मेक अ पॉलिटिकल जोक, ओके, प्लीज प्रिटेंड टू लाफ। कैबिनेट तैयार है, सभा शुरू की जाए। Thanks guys, overwhelming response, I love it guys, it's going to be so awesome, everyone is here। पहले सेल्फी से शुरू कर देते हैं because it's very important, अनिवार्य है कि हमें एक मस्त फोटो अपॉर्चुनिटी ले लें। तो ऐसे प्लीज अच्छी जॉ लाइन दिखा के, मस्त प्रोफाइल दिखा के, लेट्स ऑल टेक अ पिक्चर टुगेदर because we're all collectively in it together। All right, let's go। All right, smile please in 5 4 3 2 1, ta-da! I feel like I want to get on Instagram and post this right now। All right, so we've got a whole bunch of questions that everyone has got। If you're a part of the press, if you're members of the media, आप अपने questions, अपने सवाल chat box में डाल सकते हैं। We're going to get into that, so we can actually get all of your questions to be answered by the stellar cast and the crew of the whole show। It's going to be so much fun। पहले मेरे खुद के बहुत सारे सवाल हैं, तो I'm like, मैं जब इनको देख रहा था, everyone before the Zoom call started, इतनी जब बातें हो रही थी, I was like, guys, there are so many inside jokes here, so I want to first get the front row opportunity to first actually start off a conversation, and I want to start off with Ali Abbas Zafar। What's up, Ali?
Hello.
Hi। All right, so this is a big one for you, right? Digital debut, not a dhamakedar debut at that, all right? So how did you suddenly say, okay, Tandav needs to happen?
I actually wanted to do Tandav as a film, but and I, Himanshu and I, when we were working together, I kept bouncing off the idea that I had for Tandav, and when it became little broader than just the idea, I figured out it cannot be done as a 3-hour film or a 2.5-hour film. It needs to be a show. So after Sultan, I spoke to Himanshu and I said, Himanshu, let's go and meet someone at Amazon, someone. And I was very, when Amazon came in and they were kind of picking up directors and the kind of content they were doing, I thought they would have the similar kind of sensibility like we had. And we went and I said, why can't you just fix up a meeting? This is right after Sultan release. I think it's 2 weeks after that. So Himanshu and I went and met Aparna at Amazon studio, and I pitched this show to Aparna, and Aparna kind of, I think, liked it. But then the way she reacted to it was little cold or in the middle. So I came out and told Himanshu, bhai, मुझे लगता नहीं लोगों को ये show समझ आया है. Chalo, we'll go somewhere else. We'll develop it, curate it, maybe go and watch. And I think, and I just then walked out of the office and this conversation finished. Then I think she reached out to Himanshu after a week or so and said, we should kind of develop this and kind of make it into a show. And then we kept going back and forth. Sultan happened, Tiger happened, Bharat happened, and the show kept getting pushed. And finally, after Bharat, I realized we need to do this, and that's how we jumped into it. Yeah, so that's Aparna will have a better story to tell, because I think she knows better how it actually got made.
That's why Aparna is the head of Amazon Originals. She knows how to create the suspense. पहले बोल सकते थे बड़ा अच्छा show है, but she took her time to really get into it, which is awesome. I love that. I love the fact that everyone sort of, you had an idea and you said, hey, there's a culmination. I love that. Saif, so excited to see you. So excited to see you. There's that saying where they say that if you can't be the king, be the kingmaker. Obviously, when you think of political drama, the Chanakya-giri is a part of that, okay? I mean, I can't imagine how one would sort of stay away from that. Is that big wisdom from Chanakya, is that a large cornerstone of how you thought about this in your head?
I don't know. The only Chanakya I've read is the Amar Chitra Katha, which I can't remember. You'd have to ask Ali that and the writers. I think, this is primarily for me a show about people and pressure. It's just what happens to people when you give them goals they really want, when they're ambitious people. And it's a complete cross-section of kind of Indian society. So it didn't really have to be on politics. It could have been, something else. But we're a political nation and we like discussing it. So it's a really good idea for a show. So I don't know if it's, I don't think we use the word Chanakya, and I suppose the writers have influences from that kind of thing. Maybe even Machiavelli, maybe even Shakespeare and kind of Julius Caesar. I think Roman politics might come into it also. So it's kind of like there's a certain expectation you have when you think of a political drama, which involves, and a heightened one. I mean, this is a fantasy also. It's a fiction. We have murders and we have all kinds of things. So it's dressed up and influences from all over the place.
And which is why it makes it so exciting. And for the fact that you've got this cast and this big cast, it seems like such a fun gang. I love it. The one person I was personally very excited about talking to was obviously Dimple Kapadia ji. I was like, oh my God, Dimple ji has been having like the best time. What an incredible feat for you, ma'am, at the moment. First of all, aapka digital debut, which is incredible. You're anyways rocking into the fact that you've also had the Hollywood debut right now. So really interesting time for you, right? So now here's the thing. When you're doing a first for the first time, I'm assuming, Dimple ji, you were like, oh my God, I need to make sure I pick the perfect scene for the digital debut, right? Kya tha? What was it about Tandav that you heard and said, this is what I make a debut with on the digital space?
I think the story was very, very interesting, and the cast was fantastic. And to get an opportunity to work with Ali Abbas, I think that was a major draw for me. And my character is also very well etched, and I thought it was very interesting. It's fun.
Do you see a big difference with like the way you've always been used to working and now suddenly with the web show? Did you see a massive difference as an actor, or was there?
I think it's a massive difference in the sense that it gives you more time, more screen time, and so your character can be developed a lot more, and there's a lot more that you can do with it. Yeah.
There is, right? Yeah, because suddenly the new space that we're all watching, and in the lockdown, the fact that, all the actors could stay connected, the fact that we can see Saif and you and everyone while we're sitting at home is such an
And it's fantastic because there's so much more you can do here. There's so many, you can just have some fantastic stories out here, and it's great to be in this space.
And I love the fact that, you have a series of firsts that are happening at the moment, which is so incredible. I love that. Like really.
Flavor of the season, yeah.
Yeah. More power to you, ma'am. Favor of like the as veteran as he is really, really cool. I want to ask Himanshu Kishan Mishra, or Himanshu. Scale is so important. Okay, when you talk about scale, everything has to be bigger, magnanimous. Everything has to be like the larger, the better. How did you mount the show? Like, how do you get actors of that caliber, scales of that caliber, in all a place that's actually possible to produce?
Well, so, I've been telling this, for quite some time now, that it all starts from the text and the whole idea, that Ali had in mind. When Ali told me this, and eventually it got to a point where he said that it has to be a long format. Then we met Aparna at Amazon, and then we got Gaurav to write this in the writer's room for us. It just kept getting bigger and bigger. What matters is how it starts. And on text, it was looking good, and then we just kept going for what we thought should be the best suited for that character, or that particular sequence to be shot. And I must say that all proficient teams at Amazon, they were absolutely bang on in whenever we took anything. They're always very supportive in that matter. So mounting this scale, getting this stellar cast, it all just happened because it was right there on text. And I thought that, as Dimple ji also said, that because the roles were, bespoken for kind of like everyone, it all just fell in place, and everybody just came in and did their bit. That's that. Producer's job becomes very easy once that happens.
Oh, I love that. I know you're saying it becomes really easy, but that feels like, with all the hard work, it feels like you're oversimplifying. But I can only imagine the excitement in terms of how it must have sort of played together, right? अच्छा एक जो चीज़ है जो writing है मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा viral already, मतलब जो थोड़ा सा झलक भी दिखी थी, was already going viral. Gaurav Solanki, I want to ask you, जो dialogues हैं, everyone's already like, oh my God, these are so amazing. I love it. I'm sure, when you're writing these dialogues, are you already thinking, wait, ऐसे मेरे को viral dialogue लिखना है, hit dialogue लिखना है? Like, are you already sort of preempting that success, or like, how does that work?
Thanks for that. ऐसा viral dialogue लिखने का तो कभी नहीं रहता script में, but वो dramatic writing का एक important part होता है to be able to say, communicate what you want to. उसके लिए dialogue writing काफी help करती है, strong dialogues. कभी कभी वन लाइनर्स वो खुद ही आते हैं, यू डोंट ट्राई कि आपको यहाँ पे करना है, वो कॉन्वर्सेशन कैरेक्टर्स के हिसाब से खुद आते हैं. And I was with all these characters for quite a long time, for around 18-20 months at least. So unki lives se I was living their lives, and when you see this you'll realize how complicated and disturbing some of their lives are. So वहाँ से आया ये. बाकी तो इंडिया की पॉलिटिकल हिस्ट्री है, हमारे सोशल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हैं, और I was primarily interested in essentially in human beings, human behavior, what people can do to get power, and why they need so much power, and what happens to that young idealism when you face the real world with all its beauty and ugliness. So वो सब थे, बहुत सारी तरह के कैरेक्टर्स और उनकी बहुत सारी शेड्स एक्सप्लोर करने का मौका मिला. होप people will like it.
I'm sure you'll love it. It's already like, you know, like the funny thing is, since we're talking about liking it, and I think the conversation was about how Aparna actually got impressed. Aparna Purohit, I want to ask you, Amazon Prime Video, matlab on a roll in any case, you guys have been making all these shows that everyone seems to love, okay? Like absolutely like brilliant shows. Now, obviously from the suspense that you created, what was it about Tandav and that you sort of slept on it and you said, okay, now we need to make the show?
We've always endeavored to tell stories that are culturally rooted, shows that can speak to many Indias that coexist. Also, we try to ensure that we have a good repertoire of all the genres. You know, we had a war drama like The Forgotten Army, a musical like Bandish Bandits, a comedy like Four More Shots Please, crime dramas and thrillers like Mirzapur, Patal Lok, The Family Man. I think the only missing piece was a political drama, and Tandav addressed that need gap. I distinctly remember when Ali narrated the story to us in 2017. He's a very visual narrator. We were riveted. Of course, we maintained a very calm demeanor, as he talked about. We felt as that this story was like a peek into the world that we read about in newspapers, see on television, but know very little about. So, you know, it was a very easy decision to make. And finally, the wonderful cast that came together for this show and, you know, breathed life into the characters and created all the magic. I'm so incredibly proud of this show and this journey that we've had. You're on mute, Paras.
ये जो suspense create किया था when you said, okay, let me get back to you and tell you about how, if you were doing on the show, what was the story about the suspense?
We wanted to internalize the story. We wanted to mull over it and think about it and, you know, look at the larger universe that he was trying to create and how it would go into hopefully seasons after seasons.
Right.
So yeah, just wanted to stay with the story for a little while.
You know, the one person I know who makes sure about every show that he does is Mohammad Zishan Ayub, who I had the good privilege of working with, and Kritika Kamra. I know Zishan is very particular about, I mean, for someone who's inundated with work, he's very particular, saying, ye main isliye karunga, right? Tandav mein, what was it, Zishan mein, sir, ke karna padega? What was it?
I think, again, the idea, basically, or political drama, मतलब हमारे यहाँ जिस तरह के चीजें बनती है, political drama बहुत ज़्यादा miss होता है. तो मतलब राइटली सेड, तो यू नो मी मच बेटर कि मैं बड़ा चूजी हो जाता हूँ, और जब मैंने देखा कि यार इस तरह का कुछ बन रहा है और इतना इंटरेस्टिंग राइटिंग है, इतनी इंटरेस्टिंगली उसको जो है पिरोया गया है, तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हुआ. मुझे लगा ये तो छोड़ना नहीं है, किसी भी तरह से बस पकड़ लेना है. तो अली से मैंने बहुत उसका खून भी पिया और फाइनली हो गया सब.
Kritika Kamra, was there some blood drinking involved from your side also when it came to Ali, or did Kritika get what she wanted on a platter? How did that work?
I lucked out, man. I lucked out. I mean, it was just perfect. I loved what I read, and then it was being made by Ali Abbas Zafar, and then with this awesome cast, this is when I read, I wanted to be Sana, and I got to be Sana, and I can't be more happy.
I want to throw googly to you guys, okay? Which is always difficult. Now imagine Zishan and Kritika. Supposing you could play another character from the show, okay? Is there another one that you would have chosen to play?
मेरा तो ये वैसे भी सेकंड कैरेक्टर है, क्या हुआ, लेकिन आई थिंक इसमें इसका मजा वही है कि इसमें कोई भी कैरेक्टर आप प्ले कर सकते हैं. इसका जो एक फन पार्ट है, मतलब ऑब्वियसली समर तो है ही, सैफ जो है थोड़ा नाराज हो सकते हैं उसके, पर हाँ, समर का कैरेक्टर जो है वो सबसे ही बेहतर है. गुरपाल का कैरेक्टर है, बाकी जितने भी कैरेक्टर्स, एक्चुअली इट इज अ वेरी वेल रिटन शो. सारे कैरेक्टर्स में एक अपनी जान है, एक अपनी कहानी है, कोई बहुत ज्यादा एक दूसरे पे डिपेंड नहीं करते, तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. But हाँ, I'm happy playing Shivaji.
What about Kritika?
I think everybody's very well cast in their characters. I can't imagine playing any other character, to be honest. And now I'm so, I mean, when I see everybody, and now in the trailer, when I see everybody doing their thing, I feel like yehi perfect hai.
It is, yeah. You can't improve perfection. That's right. I love that. I always thought like, oh, ye wala karna tha, but it's incredible. Actually, you know, speaking of incredible, one person when I was watching the trailer, you know, in terms of breaking story, you see Sunil Grover on screen, and you're like, hey, this is going to be funny. You see Sunil Grover on screen, you're already like, he's not even cracked a joke. I'm already ready to laugh. You know, that's what happens. But Sunil, this is probably pehli baar hoga jaise aapko dekh ke log, you know, like when you're laughing, people are not going to laugh. Complete departure for you as an actor, as a performer, in terms of what we've known to see you as and love you as. More challenging? How does it work? Was that something you were looking for, to play something which is entirely unlike you?
Yeah, what were you saying?
I like how Sunil is taking this time saying, sorry, what bro? What you talking about?
Ali sir told me that this time, what he told me about the character, that you don't have to be in a sari, but you have to be in a dadi. So I said, okay, we are doing it.
That was it.
Yeah. See, of course, it's a great opportunity to be part of this great show, and very well written, and written by Ali sir, Gaurav. And I had worked with Ali sir earlier. So I knew that he was making something nice, great. So then he offered me this show and this character, and I was very excited. But I asked him, if you're sure that you're casting me in this? He said, yeah, I am sure. I said, if you're sure, I'm doing it. Of course, your belief is mine.
इसमें को ट्विटर पे हैशटैग शुरू करना है, हैशटैग no sari dari. I like that one. That's really cool. It's going to be so, yeah, because I think, you know, when I see you on screen, Sunil, I was like, oh my God, this is going to be funny. And they're like, oh, wait, no, this is like a whole different dimension. And it's so exciting. I love it. I mean, I can tell that you've been so excited about it. And jitne bhi aise gappe ho rahi thi na Zoom call ke pehle, I wish you could have seen that. You would be like, oh my God, I can see this love between the cast. Dino Moria, you have been having such a blast. Went from, like, for Dino, pick something interesting for it to sort of come your way. Like when they said, okay, here's stand-up, okay, and here are all the actors you're going to be working with. Like, what did you say? Saying, okay, wow, great cast. What did it for you? What was the final clincher?
Like everyone says, the cast, to work with Ali Abbas sir, and obviously the story. When I read 9 episodes of Tandav, I thought I have to be a part of this show. This definitely is something wonderful. Every character is so beautiful, which adds up to brilliant stories. So I said, if I'd be stupid to leave it, or to not be a part of this show. So I was extremely good when offered the show, and hence I'm here, and I'm thankful to Amazon for giving me this opportunity.
As Amazon में massive binge watching होने वाली, because everyone's been sort of hooked to the show, and that's what happens, right? You're finishing one show, and then there's this other show that comes up, and you're like, okay, great, now I'm ready to do this. All right, Tigmanshu Dhulia, Anup Soni, Sandhya, Mridul, you guys, मतलब television, film, web, ऐसी कोई medium नहीं है which you guys have probably left, because you guys have been creating magic everywhere, right? Everywhere. For the fact that you're creating this for the web with a star cast like this, with everyone together, how exciting is it to be on a set where you know that you've got so much to learn from every single actor who's going to come on board, and you've got so much that you can inspire with so many actors who are there on board with you? So what was it about Tandav that you guys said, okay, this is going to be like this one exciting bit?
Tishu sir first.
संध्या तुम बोलो.
सर आप ही बोल लीजिए सर, आप सीनियर हो.
देखिए यार, मैं इतना बड़ा एक्टर नहीं हूँ ना. बोलो.
Sandhya, let's start with you.
Exactly the opposite to Sunil. I was told in this no dadi, only sari, you are playing a very feminine role. So I leapt at it because I'm usually the complete toughie. Also, the way they named this character, I didn't have much of a choice when I was told the name of the character, which also happens to be Sandhya. So not much I could do about that. I had to claim my name. But I liked her for the fact that she's the gentlest, most non-political person in this show. And I like that. I like being her. I relate with her. And I like that there is no aggression in this character as far as I'm concerned. And of course, when Gaurav came to narrate this to me, he did such a wonderful job narrating, and I could see the characters leapt out at me. It's a show where the characters are so wonderfully etched, and every character has the possibility of bringing something so real that I really did want to do it. And when I look at this screen right now, I really did right. And thanks to Ali and Himanshu and Amazon for letting me play this part.
Mr. Soni?
Okay, so Tishu bhai, मतलब आप हम सब से बुलवा के फिर बोलेंगे ना?
हाँ.
Anyway, Paras, I think for me it was the most important thing was that when Ali sir and Himanshu told me about this character, कि यार he's not a good guy. You know, this whole thing about nice guy, I was so bored playing these nice guy all the time, जो दूसरों की मदद करता है और हमेशा अच्छा रहता है. I didn't want to be this अच्छा guy. So at least everybody was great. That was the first thing which attracted me to the role. And definitely, you know, as Sandhya said, looking at the screen, I'm so happy that I'm part of this show. And, you know, directed by Ali Abbas Zafar, produced by Himanshu Kishan Mehra, and coming on Amazon Prime. I think the decision was perfect.
I love that. I love how Mr. Soni is like, I was so tired of being Mr. Goody Two Shoes. I'm like, I'm done. I don't want to do this anymore. I love that happened. Himanshu ji, now I'm dying now with all the build-up that we built for the fact that you're saying it. What was your take on it?
See, then I don't remember who narrated the part to me. I think it was Himanshu, because Gaurav साहब नमस्कार, आपसे मुलाकात हुई नहीं मेरी. तो they said कि politician है, तो मैं थोड़ा चढ़ गया हूँ politician करके ना, start ही उसी से हुआ. मैंने कहा politician है, वही धोती पहननी पड़ेगी, वही सब. But then I got to know that I'm playing the prime minister of the country. So I said, oh. So यहाँ पे मैंने थोड़ा एक कॉमा लगा. मैंने कहा then I'll do it, because then the whole approach towards the character becomes. I thought again that Hindi heartland उसी तरह का रोल होगा, but it wasn't so. और I थोड़ा डायरेक्टर भी हो तो मैं समझ गया उसको, तो I have to approach it with more dignity, थोड़ा संभल के. रिस्पॉन्सिबल कैरेक्टर है. एंड अली के साथ काम करने का मन था मेरा, इतना बड़ा डायरेक्टर है. So when the character was narrated to me, I didn't have the idea that it will have such a humongous cast till I came for the reading, and then I saw everybody. I said, ये क्या हो गया यार, इतने सारे लोग हैं. तो but उससे excitement बहुत बड़ा, because most of the actors I know, I've worked with Saif, और बहुत सारों को भी मैं जानता हूँ. तो बड़ा comfortable एक माहौल था. And as far as the role, and the role तो है, अच्छा रोल है मेरा. एक मैं नहीं होगा तो ये शो नहीं होगा, तो मेरे से ही सब कुछ खेल होता है. बट जितनी भी स्क्रिप्ट मैंने पढ़ी, जो उससे लगता है कि जैसे लाइक सैफ सेड इट हैज अ वेरी शेक्सपियरियन अपील. इट्स वेरी लार्जर देन लाइफ. द एम्बिशन ऑफ मैकबेथ, द बिट्रेयल ऑफ जूलियस सीजर, द ब्रूटैलिटी ऑफ टाइटस एंड्रोनिकस. सो इसका एक स्केल, और जिस तरह की स्टारकास्ट और अली अब्बास जफर का की मेकिंग और अमेज़न का इसको प्रमोशन और इस तरह से इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म, सब कुछ, एवरीथिंग फिट्स इन जस्ट राइट. सो आई एम वेरी वेरी थैंकफुल टू एवरीबॉडी, टू अली, टू हिमांशु, टू अमेज़न, कि आपने मुझे इतने अच्छे शो का हिस्सा बनाया. बहुत शुक्रिया.
In fact, I just wanted to add what Tishu bhai also said, that thank you for this table reading, because I remember when we started reading the script, you know, those all 9 episodes with all the star cast, then that's when it was very, very sure that what a brilliantly written script. And, you know, we have to be part of this. And thank you, Gaurav, because I think that table reading was like a cement for all of us to be there together for this show.
I can imagine.
Paras, I quickly want to tell you one thing. You know, one googly that you threw at someone, at Kritika, I think, if that googly was thrown to me, I called up Ali and I said, can I please play Dimple G's role? Please. Dimple G, I'm sorry, I love you, but I really went after Anuradha desperately. But
I wish I could play Summer's role. Damn it, that's the role.
So Yes, Anuradha did not happen, but Sandhya did. Just wanted to.
I love that at first I was thinking like in that. Like, actually, Dimples, I have to ask you. You know, since they're talking about table reads, and I know Mr. Soni is also talking about that. Was that exciting suddenly to meet everyone at the table reading? And because the table reading is also suddenly you're seeing that now as a web series thing. It's something where all the actors are actually first meeting. Is that an exciting experience to suddenly meet everyone and say, okay, this is what we're going to do on set? You're muted, Dimples. You're muted.
Okay.
Yeah, all good.
Yeah, it was very exciting. I hadn't done something like that before, and there was this whole bunch of them, and I was really figuring out how I'm going to go about this. It was like first time for me, and yes, it was wonderful. Absolutely.
Wait, the table reading was also first for you?
Absolutely.
You're on a roll. I like how you have so many of these like new things that are happening. It's incredible.
As I said, flavor of the season. Angrez ka haath lag gaya to sab chal gaya.
I love that. All right, I want to talk to the ladies on the show. All right, this cast has got amazing talent powerhouses. Gohar Khan, Shivani Rani, Sarah Jane Dias, Sonali Gohar, Sarah. It's so interesting. Gohar, let me start with you. Like, when you're seeing these powerful performances and their women's performances and stuff, I think now we've come to a point where actually, as actors, I think we've gone past that saying, wow, as a woman, you have such a powerful role. Come to it, we assume it, we take it already. But was there something where you're like, oh my God, this is like pure power, this performance? Did you feel that in your, like the dhak dhak ho rahi thi aise?
धक धक बहुत levels पे हो रही थी. First of all, the sole reason for me to say yes to Maithili, my character, was my chat with Ali sir. Because before that, I was like, kya chal raha hai? Itne sare log honge. Because I had no idea who's going to play what part. Because tab tak I think casting puri hui bhi nahi thi. And I just knew that this character is really interesting. And when I spoke to Ali sir, he said, I really see you as Maithili and just trust me. And I was so excited to just work with him and Amazon. And I'm like, yeah. But for me, when I actually got to know that Dimple G is playing Anuradha, and most of my scenes are with Dimple G, and I am this gushing fan when I'm around her, and she knows about it. But just the legend that she is, for me, this opportunity to be playing a strong part with most of my scenes with her, and of course there's Saif, and there's everybody who's so amazing. Every time I was on set, I was like, oh my God, I'm working with Dimple Kapadia. How am I going to digest this? So yes, the character is extremely strong, but the entire experience and the fact that, I'm fortunate enough in my career as an actor where I can get credible parts to play with such a stellar cast is like the most amazing thing.
Such batana, Gohar, like when you're with Dimple G, is your fangirl moment like showing, or are you like, oh, from Insara?
No. All the time. I know. I'm sure if you ask her, she'll know. I'm actually like this in front of her, always gushing, and she's so kind. In fact, I must say, she the legend that she is. But she's always like paying attention to Gohar ka baal theek hai ki nahi, Gohar ka makeup theek hai ki nahi, Gohar. She's so caring about. I don't know. Maybe I'm lucky. I don't know. But she's amazing. And yes, I was always like this around her. Always. Mostly embarrassing myself.
I'm going to ask Ali at some point if he did what he did with you, where he also told everyone, like, oh, Dimple Kapadia is on the show, and everyone's like, yeah, I want to do it. Well, Shonali, I want to ask you, like when Gohar says, when you hear about all the female actors in the show, you hear Dimple Kapadia, you hear Gohar, you hear Sandhya Mritu, and then other people are hearing your name and Sarah's name and Amira's name and, Sukhmani's name. It's a lot of really talented women. Does that intimidate you? Does that excite you?
It doesn't end. The cast is endless in this show. But I think all the women, what I like is all the women have been depicted as silent warriors in the show. And they're really powerful and they're as ambitious as the men, if not more. The way they operate is very different from the men. And what I really loved about all the women depicted in the show is that they're not becoming men in a man's world. They're owning their femininity and they're owning their elegance and they're owning being a woman. And that for me was a very different twist. We were not trying to be men and hard as men. We had our own little thing going on, though very ambitious at the same time. Also, I did tease Ali a little bit for incorporating 3 Miss Indias in the show. 3 of us are on the screen right now. I'm like, was this a plan, Ali? And thirdly, I remember my first scene was I just walked into the set, and Dimple Ji had just delivered her dialogue on stage on a podium. And I was just hoping and praying that my role is not, then I'm not called next after her, because she was a force to reckon with when she delivered that dialogue. And sure enough, I kind of maybe manifested it. Ali said, Shonali, you're next. And at that time, I could safely say, Thodi mummy yaad aayi. And then there's Ali Abbas Zafar, I look on my left, and there's Dimple Ji on the stage, and there's Saif Ali Khan sitting in front of me, and I'm looking around, I'm saying, what is going on? This is the first scene I remember for me. So it was a bit of a mind-boggling. I wasn't able to seize right, seeing double, triple sometimes, because it was just so much to absorb, especially as your first scene. But I have to say, I used to also tease the set crew a little bit, because it used to take us an hour and a half to get to set, 2 hours to do our hair and makeup. And Ali and Himanshu were so clear with their scenes and so fast with their delivery that it took us literally 15 minutes to shoot the scene.
Yeah.
Just a clarity of thought from a director is the most priceless thing an actor or anyone on set can get, and that's the only way you can manage a cast and a show as with this kind of a scale so smoothly and so efficiently. And I also believe that if all the cast is good friends with each other on set, and there's this camaraderie that you have off set, that shows in film as well. And I'm very, very sure that the good times we've had is going to show up on screen, because I've never seen a set where everyone got along with everyone so beautifully, and no one had masks on. Everyone was real, and everyone was honest and just there for each other. And it was a breath of fresh air to be part of this Amazon original. It really is. Blessed.
The whole idea of saying, nobody had masks on the political drama is such a refreshing thing to hear. There are to feel the same. We feel like, oh my God, we've all become BFFs. It's an amazing. Were you already friends with some of the actors before the show?
Wait, I've never been on a set where everybody got together and actually played cricket.
What?
Yeah. There was an entire cricket match that happened at Patori, and I was just like, what is going on? Like they planned the shoot so that we had time to play cricket. Like it was not even as though, we have some time spare, so we'll just do it. And that's just one of the many instances where we really just got along both on set and off set. And I'm going to go back a little to what my experience was when I actually found out about the show, because for me, it was just an audition, and on paper it read as a really strong female character, and I had no idea. I knew Ali was directing it, but that's all I knew, and that's all that was enough for me. And then I got the script, I read the scenes, I read all 9 episodes, and I was like, wow, I really want to be a part of the show. I take a little bit of pride in saying that I think I may have been one of the first people to have been cast, and I don't think they auditioned anybody else for the role. I found this out later. And I'm in a completely different avatar, and especially get-up wise and costume wise. And I have Ali to thank for that, because I don't think anyone's seen me like this before. And then I came to the table read and I saw Sandy, and I'm like, wait a minute, are you playing Sandhya? And she's like, yes, I'm playing Sandhya. And then I saw God, and I saw Shonali, and I found out Dimple Ji was going to be there. Being around Dimple Ji was constant fangirl moment. We all played it very cool, by the way. Yeah. But it was constant fangirl moments happening. Especially if she would like compliment you, like you're saying thank you, but in the back of your head you're going, Dimple Kapadia just paid me a compliment.
I know what you mean.
Is anyone listening? I need to write this down. But it's Gaurav has written the show so slick and meaningfully, and from the time you read it, you feel everybody, you feel every character, you feel the plot. And you want to be there, and you are there. You're in the middle of everything that's going on. And I told Ali this, and you can ask him this when we had, because Ali's very, very prepared. It's like what Shonali said. Both Ali and Himanshu are just like, they're so cool and they're so well prepared. It's like when they say wrap at 6, it's 5:30 and they've wrapped, and you're like, really? Are you kidding? Are we really done for the day? And they shot hardcore scenes. But I will end with just saying this. I said to Ali, and I'm saying this to everybody right now, because I don't think I've had this chance to say this to anybody, but thank you for the opportunity. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity, and I'm deeply grateful to have shared it with everybody. So thank you.
I just want to make one quick point, Paras. I don't think there's ever that I have worked in my life in so many God, years, a better production team and a better direction team than this show. And I have to give it to Himanshu for being the best producer ever, and Alisa for being the best director. And I think we all agree with that, because it's a school. It's a school in filmmaking. It's a school in how it's supposed to be. So thank you so much. And of course, thank you, Amazon.
Yeah, they spoiled us, Paras, I'll be honest. Very hard to work with other people now after the efficiency we've seen on this set.
I can totally picture all the actors when we go on the next day say, "Oh, Himanshu ke set pe to aisa hota tha, guys. What's going on here?" Or I want to talk to the boys, Hitesh Tijwani, Paresh Bahuja. There has been so much that has been spoken about the fact that I think there was so much order on this set and there was so much fun on this set. They had time for cricket. They obviously created all of these things. But in the middle of all this masti, also that you're playing characters which are very driven with a lot of research that I think that they back it, right? Because you obviously need that. So in the middle of all this masti, what do you do to actually do the research for your characters, Hitesh?
Well, I had to watch a lot of news, and I had to make sure that I don't look like them or act like them. So, it was a very difficult part for me.
To learn by elimination, to omission, or what not to do.
Yeah, I mean, I had to watch news every day. So first of all, तो सब लोग यही सोच रहे थे क्या हो गया इसको सडनली न्यूज़ क्यों देखने लग गए ये तो कभी न्यूज़ देखता नहीं था तो उसे पढ़ता था. And then after that, not to be like them, मतलब एकदम different था, different करना था, तो वो बहुत difficult था मेरे लिए.
But from what I understand, was part of Ali's strategy to get everyone a whole new dimension, how they were not on and off screen, whether it was Sunil, whether it was Himanshu, whether it was everyone. So did you enjoy watching the news though? You did.
Yeah, I enjoyed watching it, and first off, I got a call and I spoke to Gaurav first, and he told me about it. Then I met Alisa. And he took me through the whole thing, ये ऐसा है वैसा है. I will not, ज़्यादा बताऊंगा नहीं. I will not give you my character what it is. देखोगे तो मजा आएगा. It's better, yeah. It's better like that.
I know, Hiten suffered the Indian news media. What did you do as part of your research to get into the skin of your character?
So, Paras, out of all the 150 films that I've done, I have I'm just one film old, and all the credit goes to Ali sir, because he's so clear about the world and what your character is doing within that world. And this particular part that I've played, Raghu, he does a lot of things that I don't do as Paresh, and so those things you borrow from other people. You see, experienced actors, and your friends, you ask them. So everyone, including Saif sir, because one day he came and told me a story. He was always so supportive that you could try these mannerisms, and even Shonali and Dimple ma'am, and I was like a kid in a candy store. I still am. It's just been the most exciting experience of my life, and thanks to Ali sir, I had worked with him before on Tiger, and the moment I read the news that Ali Abbas Zafar is teaming up with Saif Ali Khan for Amazon Prime. From that moment to next 1 month, I was dying. कि आज phone बजेगा, कुछ तो आएगा, अभी तो आएगा. And ऐसा फिर एक दिन आया. तो मैंने कहा wait, yes.
That's great change.
Yeah.
But, one of the other things I want to say is it's so cute, and it's actually really endearing that every one of the stories, and the one consistent person that everyone I think seems to talk about is Dimple Kapadia, which is amazing. Even the questions are about you guys. It's obviously, as an actor who's suddenly created this environment on set, so that's incredible. I want to ask Amira, Sukhmani, Neha, Hinge, you girls have, there's so many of these lines on the show, and there's so many of these really cool punchlines and stuff. Now, I'll let you put you on a spot. It could be your own, it could be somebody else's. If you have to pick a line, Sukhmani, which is you're like, oh my God, this is this. I love this line. It sort of defines you. This is a meme. What would it be, Sukhmani? You're muted, Sukhmani. Awaz. Wo mute off karo.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. I think there are lots of good dialogues in the show, but the one that's doing the rounds everywhere is Ab Hoga Tandav. I love it. It's got the whole summary of the kind of show that it is, and of course, if you can't be the king maker, of course. And there are multiple more dialogues like that, which are so good. But I would pick these two if I really have to.
Hoga Tandava. Myra, which one is it for you?
I think राजनीति के खेल में हर खिलाड़ी के पास एक चाल चलने का मौका आता है. I like that one.
All right.
He knows it by heart.
Like, that's the one I really like.
Memorize it.
Memorize it. Neha, which one is it for you? The dialogue, the clincher?
I think for me, it's if you can't be the king, be the king maker, because it makes a lot of sense. I mean, like, if you can't just be the face of it, then at least run the show.
These are like life lessons. I want to adapt.
Yeah. We memorize them.
I love it, guys. Thank you so much for giving me, like, I feel like I had so many questions to ask. I'm so glad you guys like humored me and told me everything, which is like so cool. I love that. There are also some questions that the members of the media have for you. The press has a lot of questions, rightly so, because they're like, hey, so much has been going on. I know that the press was writing their questions in the chat box, so we've got some of them for you. Sugandha from INS has actually got a question for Ali Abbas Zafar. Ali, Sugandha wants to know for you, how liberating was it to work on a web show? How liberating? I love how she said it. How liberating was it for you?
I think web is a very liberating space for any storyteller or a filmmaker. You know, जब आप सिनेमा के लिए फिल्म बनाते हैं तो जो आपको पूरी कहानी 2 घंटे में कहनी होती है, बॉक्स ऑफिस डिसाइड करता है कि आपने अच्छी फिल्म बनाई है, बुरी फिल्म बनाई है. वेब में जब आप काम करते हैं तो थोड़ा निडर होके काम करते हैं. यू आर मोर फियरलेस, यू कैन टेल स्टोरीज. यू नो, मेरा एक जो रीजन तांडव का बनाने का था वो ये था कि और खासकर मैंने पिछली लास्ट 3 फिल्में सलमान खान के साथ करी हैं और उसमें एक बॉक्स ऑफिस बहुत बड़े बैगेज के साथ आपके कंधों पे बैठा होता है. So when you do work like Tandav, you know, I've actually, this is what I've been saying to myself and to my close friends, that when I used to do theater at college, I'm from Kirodimal College, Delhi University, and we have a legacy of a dramatic society called The Players. Mr. Bachchan is from there, and a lot of other big renowned people are from there. I used to feel very happy working on that stage because I was working without any fear. And I felt exactly the same now when I did Tandav, you know. I just felt that this is something which is very honest and true to me. And because I have a commercial sensibility, I want the story to reach maximum amount of people, touch maximum, you know, minds. So I have tried to use that ability to kind of tell a story which is very, very universal. Politics inherently is universal, you know. You can't sit on the side. Even being apolitical is taking a political stand. So ये हिंदुस्तान की कहानी ही नहीं है. It's a story of every country or every setup or any dynamics, whether it's an office or a country or a continent. And I think that is what we have tried to do together. And I think I'm grateful to entire cast and crew, my writers, Gaurav especially. I think he's done a fabulous job with the script. So to kind of, you know, how we went about doing this show. And now it's all up to 15th of January, and we're all excited how it turns out to be for an audience. And special mention to, means I'm very happy to work with each one of you. I cannot say it personally, and none of you is for me ज़्यादा या कम. मेरे लिए सब बराबर हैं. You know, I kind of, and I will tell this to you, Saif, you're not a star for me on this show. That's a different thing. I've projected to you like a big star. Okay, and I think I'm very happy. You can't hear me? You can't hear me? Well, I'm very happy to work with all of you. For me, smallest character to the biggest character is, every character has been very, very special because there is a beautiful arc to every character, and that is I think the strength of this show. Yeah.
And I love how you articulated that. I mean, that was the answer to Sugandha's question, where you feel that freedom because you're not dictated by the success of the box office numbers. I'm glad you explained that. All right. Ashwin from News 24 has got a question for Aparna Purohit. All right. Ashwin is asking you, Aparna. She says, "Bhai, political drama kyun pick kiya? Was there always an idea to make a show which is a political drama and to make it at the scale that Tandav has been made?"
You know, like I mentioned earlier, political drama is an untapped genre. and for a nation that is so obsessed with its politics, this was not a difficult choice to make. And then you have a passionate creator like Ali, who has a very strong and an independent cinematic voice. A writer like Gaurav, who has crafted every character with, such sensitivity in all its ugliness and beauty, as he had said. And he has written every dialogue with so much finesse. And of course, our wonderful actors who brought those words to life. It's been an incredibly collaborative and a very exhilarating journey. And as far as the scale is concerned, we had Himanshu. But other than that, we like to enable our creators to help them translate their creative vision in an undiluted way on screen. And, whatever it takes to do that.
That's interesting that you should mention Himanshu, because actually the next question that is actually coming is from Aaj Tak. Amit Tyagi wants to ask Himanshu exactly that. He says that Amit is asking Himanshu, he says, you and Ali worked quite a bit together now. And, it looks like Ali is the creative half of it. And as the showrunner for you, like, what is the equation that Ali and you share? Kitna hota hai ki he says, ye karna hai, you say, ye karna hai, ye possible hai, nahi possible hai?
No, so, I just feel that in any sort of partnership, what is essential is clarity of thought and division of role. And I think between Ali and I, we are pretty much sorted. And I'm so happy that the entire cast and crew here feel that, we've had so much fun doing this is only because everybody is doing their job, my whole team, Ali's team. So there is no conflicting thing in our outfit. It is the job, the roles are so, clear that it sort of just becomes like a second act. So I just feel because of these two things, things are, moving smooth.
Fact that you've got a very clear demarcation between this is what Ali does and this is what you do. So it's like there's no possibility for jagda. I like that. It's very cool. All right, the next question is from Deccan Herald. Raktim is asking. He's actually got a question for Saif. And the question Raktim is asking Saif is actually one which most people want to know. His question seems simplistic, but it's so true. How do you answer that? How do you prepare for your role in Tandav? As an actor who's got so much body work, do you still take the time to prepare a lot? Is it something you like to wing it? How do you prepare for that? Like Raktim is asking. All right, I don't think Saif can hear me well.
Okay, wait. Is that better? How do you prepare for Tandav? Well, the first thing you have to do is learn your lines, because there's quite a few of those. I think that was my biggest challenge, really, because normally in my career and my experience, you have a big day, then a couple of easy days, then another big day. But here I had speeches on day 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I thought, Jesus, how am I going to learn that? It's like pages, and I was. So it was that, and it was pretty Sanskritized Hindi, which is a beautiful, rhythmic, aggressive kind of language at times. Very nice sounding, dramatic. So it was great as an actor. That was the new thing. It was the language and the length of it, and the oration and the kind of speech giving in public, as well as a fairly smoldering kind of, you don't know what's going on in his head kind of character in private. So that was the thing. And preparing for it, it comes from the script. It's not based on anyone. Once you see the situations and understand it, like anything else, you kind of try and dress it up in an interesting way, whatever, that's what we all do. So that was the prep, really. And the thing is, the character kind of dresses a lot like I do, like I did, and kind of lives in the same house. So it was, I don't know, you'd almost think it was written for him.
That's amazing. Yeah, because that's interesting that you would say that the language was a large part of the prep, because like you said, there are no easy days on this. You talk in Sanskrit after time, you have these big lines, you've got to memorize them. So I hope that answers.
There was some heavy duty Hindi, even in like the political conversations inside the room, when talking to the cabinet or other people or giving like internal speeches. There was language I've never used before, and you had to kind of sound like you're conversant in that language, and that, aap roz bolte hain aise Hindi. So I think my Hindi got much better, which is always good.
Yeah, you can't wing that one. You can't meet the cabinet and say, yo bro, what's up? So I'm glad that, that obviously respected. There's a question that Dimple Ji not attributed to a media house, because the whole media as a conglomerate has asked this question, because I think everyone wants to know. The question for them is the fact that, as an actor, because you've got such a large body of work, how there has to be some instance of some character you played somewhere which could probably be close to this, or was this something entirely different where you never played a character like this before, right? So was this in any relation something that you felt like you had an inkling from earlier? Was this completely new? How did,
this is No, this was something I've never ever played before. It's a very interesting character, and I don't want to go too much into it, but I've absolutely loved playing her, thoroughly enjoyed playing her. And having these guys, Himanshu and Ali Abbas, I mean, it has been such a pleasure to work with them, because I was a bit skeptical. I thought the hours would be too long, and I didn't know whether I'd be able to go through it, but they've made it seem like a breeze, and they have been exceptionally kind to me in very, very difficult times. There was an incident where we had to wrap up because I had to come back for something that was personal. And they didn't even flinch an eyelid. I mean, the next thing I knew was I was on the flight, I was back. And then I was trying to get back to them and say, okay, I can come on such and such a day, but that couldn't happen. And they were so adjusting. I mean, I've not seen this anywhere in my entire career. And I really want to thank them for this. They've been absolutely wonderful.
That seems like resonating funda that's coming out from all the actors about the production, but the fact that, Ali and Himanshu,
Most amazing production I've been in, honestly. Fantastic.
When you go on another set, you're going to be like, oh my God, I'm missing that set now. And you two anyways were part of two productions. One was the fact that you were acting in the show, the other was the fact that you were motivating the entire cast. So that was something else which is obviously happening on this side, which is great. I have a question for Sunil Grover from BBC. Sunil, Madhu wants to ask you the same question actually I had for you, which is so true, saying we've always seen you in a comic role, always. All right, so Madhu is saying, was this actually a conscious effort for you to actually play a serious character as opposed to the comic roles that we've all seen you as or in? Consciously ढूंढा था कि मेरे को ऐसा play करना है?
ये मेरा डिसीजन नहीं था एक्चुअली, ये अली सर का डिसीजन था, पर मुझे भरोसा है उनके ऊपर, मैंने काम किया उनके साथ, तो बस मुझे उनके भरोसे में भरोसा था तो मैंने कर लिया और मुझे बड़ा मजा आया। मेरी आदत है उछल कूद करने की, अलग अलग तरह के ड्रामे करने की, इसमें मुझे स्टिलनेस रखनी थी और एक ही चीज करनी थी जो अली सर कह रहे थे उसको फॉलो करना था बस।
ऐसे होता है कि कट होते ही then Sunil has come back to Sunil and everyone's like, okay guys, scene is obviously over, Sunil is doing something now.
Yeah,
I like that. All right, Ashwin has got a question. Ashwin is from News 24. He's got a question for Zishan. Ashwin is asking you, Zishan, he's saying you worked with Ali before. इस बार different क्या था, अलग क्या था? What was this part of Ali's things that you've seen before, saying you know this is so Ali, but what was it that was different in Tanda from Ali's side for you?
अली के साथ मेरा यार सिर्फ फिल्मों में काम करने का रिलेशन नहीं है। हम लोग we go back almost 20 years. हम लोग कॉलेज में साथ में पढ़ते थे, so he's a very old friend. पर हाँ डेफिनेटली मतलब सामने कर सकता हूँ मैं तारीफ अली के, इतने लोगों ने करी है तो एज अ डायरेक्टर बहुत ज्यादा जो है ग्रो किया है अली ने, एंड नाउ ही इज मोर कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट हिज शॉट्स और अब इसको और ज्यादा क्लैरिटी है। मतलब इवन फर्स्ट फिल्म में भी एक्चुअली ऐसा लगता नहीं था कि अली को पता नहीं चल रहा है या क्या है, बट हाँ आई कैन सी दैट कॉन्फिडेंस इन हिम और बदल गया है। मतलब जिस वजह से आई थिंक सब लोग इतनी तारीफ कर रहे हैं वो बड़ा ऑब्वियस ही है, और मैं ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा ज्यादा क्रिटिकल होकर देखता हूँ तो कई बार मैं उसको पीछे पीछे कुछ बोलता रहता हूँ, बट ये हमारी दोस्ती का वो है। बट ही हैज एक्चुअली बिकम मच बेटर एज अ डायरेक्टर, एंड आप देखेंगे तो आपको और समझ में आएगा कि कितना अच्छा काम निकल के आया।
See and to see your buddy sort of growing from college to becoming like this is incredible. It must be such a good feeling. I like that. So I like that the answer to you, Ashwin, from Zishan is the fact that he's actually seen like Ali Pro, which is amazing. Right. So final question from the press is from Pooja Talwar. She's with Good Times. Pooja is asking Pritika Kamra. So Pooja is asking you, Pritika, she says, look, the series looks very intense, right? But were there any particular extremely light moments in Tanda for you where you're seeing that the behind the scenes is so different from what's really coming on camera? Was there anything like that where you said, wow, lol?
There was some when we were shooting on the college, in the university and stuff like that. Of course, like sitting with everybody and just because it had become like a gang. So there were some of those moments, but for my character, mostly, what was happening to the character was always really intense. So it was not, there were no light shoot days, I would say. But of course, there were moments where we all sat and chatted and Zishan told us millions and millions of stories.
I like that. Yeah, I mean, even Seth said the same thing. There were no light days, and Zishan always has lovely stories to share. So that must have been really good fun for you. All right, so that brings us to the end of all the questions from the media as well. Guys, it's been, I feel so privileged and honored to be like in the same like Zoom dabba with you guys. To be really, really cool. Dimple ji, maybe aise saath mein photo Instagram pe dalu, main se like kar dena.
Hey, can I just quickly say something? I don't know if I'll get a chance. that
Go ahead,
I
sir.
also had such a good time working with the production, obviously. Ali, I've known for ages, but this cast has been so amazing and so much fun we've had. And I just think this format has been incredible when people approach it the way Ali does, which is not send out some kind of B team to make some show, but to kind of bring the A team, you know, and bring everyone together. And the only reason it's not a film is because of length. And everyone's got such an important, lovely part. And these wonderful actors you get to work with and have a drink with and play cricket with. It's been the best experience of my life. And I love you all very much. And thank you for making my show so pleasant. I mean, our show, but my show experience so pleasant. And lots of love to you. I look forward to seeing you for season 2. Thank you.
Everyone's like, you hear everyone season 2, they're like, yeah, we got it. Guys, I can't wait to see you guys in season 2 as well. It's going to be awesome. So happy and so privileged to share this space with you today. Members of the media, आपका जो registered email ID है उसपे आपको press kit भेज दिया जाएगा, so you will get all the information that you require for your reports in that email. From the bottom of my heart, I wish you all the luck and all the success for Tandav, क्योंकि अब होगा Tandav. It's going to be awesome. Guys, the show Tandav drops on Amazon Prime on 15th of January, so we're all going to be eagerly waiting. Like Ali said, उस दिन पे से धड़कने सब हो ही जाएंगी. From everyone at Amazon Prime, from me, from the Starcast, bye-bye and namaste, and we will see you. I can't wait to watch the show. 15th January, Amazon Prime. Ab hoga Tandav. Bye-bye, guys.
ये है ABP News.